Hare Krishna. Welcome to the online class. Today is very auspicious days and Ekadasi day. So, hearing is the best way of celebrating or any kind of very auspicious occasion. Hearing is the most important things. And this day, hearing is very, very important, particularly on Ekadasi day, which is very mother of devotion or very dear to Krishna. So, we will hear very important topics today. That hearing is how the hearing is very expressway or highway to Godhead. So this is very important subject matter that our whole devotional service in Abhada Bhakti begins with the Sravanam and Kirtanam, hearing and speaking or chanting. So we will discuss on this subject matter how important, how paramount important the hearing is. The most important thing in our devotional service is first hear about the glories of the Lord. So amagyanatimirandasya jnana anjana salakaya chakhurnimiletam jena tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare. So today's subject matter is the hearing, how hearing is important. Because at present we are turned away from the Krishna. Material existence means we have turned away from the Krishna. And we have attached to so many material things. So our Krishna consciousness movement to develop the attachment from the matter to spirit. And how we can develop that? Because that propensity, the proclivity to hear about Krishna or for the spirit, from matter to spirit, ultimately the spiritual reality, Krishna, Supreme Lord, has not aroused. How to develop that? What is that impetus so that we can develop that, we can develop that propensity to, to execute the devotional service. That is hearing. Hearing is the only impetus that will create the propensity, that will develop our propensity, our predisposition, predilection, our proneness, our liking, our preference for spiritual things. At present, we have no interest, no propensity. We are indifferent. We are nonchalant to bhakti, to devotional service. By hearing, it will develop that impetus. It will create an impetus to develop that, to attachment for the devotional service. That's why hearing is most important thing and very, very, very fast things in our devotional service. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, our Anavada Bhakti. So one time Srila Prabhupada, if we do not hear it, then we will not have that, propensity, that zeal to come to Mangalarti. Without knowing that what is the importance of Mangalarti. We cannot chant properly, we cannot render service properly. We should hear the glories of these things. They are all paraphernalia of bhakti. We should hear the glories of Krishna, Supreme Lord. Then we will have an attraction. We will develop that attraction for Krishna. We will develop the attraction for the bhakti simply by the process of hearing. There is no other way. This is the only way, the express way to Godhead. And we have an example actually. Vyasadeva heard from Narada Muni. Then he compiled Srimad Bhagavatam. He was not satiated by compiling Veda, Vedantas, Puranas, Upanishad. But when he heard the glories, glories of the, he heard about the importance of the Srimad Bhagavatam, importance of the glories of the Lord Krishna. So the importance of the description of the Lord Supreme Personality of Godhead, then Vyasadeva compiled Srimad Bhagavatam. Then our Dhruva Maharaj heard from Narada, and he became a pure devotee. Prahlad Maharaj heard from Narada Muni, then he became devotee. If you see that by hearing process, one can transform. Just like Arjuna. Initially Arjuna was reluctant to fight. But what transformed him, what transpired him to again, again got that interest to fight. Initially he was telling, no, I shall not fight Govinda. But when he heard, the transformation comes. By hearing he transformed, and that and he is telling Karisya Vachanatava, now I am ready, I am enthusiastic, I shall fight as you wish. That transformation comes by hearing process. Because out of all senses, that hearing is very, very active senses. Even we sleep, all other senses are dormant, but hearing. In even Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is said that we all are Krishna consciousness. This is inherent. Our Krishna consciousness is inherent because we are part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. Mamavihansa Jivaloka Jivabhutta Sanatana. But somehow and other we have fallen. And that love for Krishna, the dormant propensity is there. And that can be aroused simply by hearing process. Sarvanadi Sudachite Kari Aikya. Krishna Prema, this Krishna Prema is Sadhu Kabyanaya. Sravanadi Sudachite Kari Aikya. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema is Nitya Siddha, is inherent in our heart. But it is now dormant due to the contamination. Just like a magnet. Magnet has the power of, attract the iron. But when magnet is rusted, then it will lose the spiritual qualities, quality of attracting this iron. Similarly, although we are spirit soul, we have a dormant, we have an inherent Krishna consciousness. Now it is rusted by material contamination, material attachment. And that can be, just like a magnet is rusted, it can be cleansed by process of cleaning. Similarly, our rusted consciousness can be cleansed by the process of hearing. Sarvanadi Suddhachite Karyaka. Krishna Prema Nitya Siddha. Sadhu Kavenaya Sarvanadi Suddhachite. So that Saravana is very, very important to arouse Krishna consciousness. The so-called rule and regulation of chanting, the coming to Mangalarti, that will not arouse. It just become a mechanical. If we hear that, then we will get that propensity, that what we say, enthusiasm, Usha, Nischa, Dharyat. All this comes by hearing process. Therefore, it is said that one time Srila Prabhupada was giving classes, and he notices that some of the some of his disciples are leaving from the lecture. And he was very much angry, and he told, why are you going? Because and they replied that we have some other service. Then what? Then Prabhupada was really got angry and told, what kind of service? Without hearing, everything become lost. Everything become lost. You cannot do anything. All this big temple, big services become burden. After some time, how much we belling? The problem with, he told that problem with India, there are so many temples, but there is no hearing and chanting, hearing and speaking. Therefore, it's a belling, everything is belling. And how long we will bell? He will be burdened, he will be disgusted. So, we have practically seen those devotees who are not interested in hearing and speaking in plea of other services somehow or other, they are not advancing. They have stagnated their advancement. That is the problem in our society. There is a deficiency of hearing. Prabhupada created this beautiful plan, beautiful structure that you have to hear at least morning, evening, so that will transform us. That will create a propensity. No, by hearing I know I should go to Mangalarati. What is the importance of Mangalarati? Why should chant in the Mangalarati? What is the benefit of Mangalarti? What is the benefit of morning program? What is the benefit of chanting? The glories of chanting? What is the benefit of sadhu sangha? What is the benefit of sadhu seva? What is the benefit of paying obeisances to the Lord? All this paraphernalia, what is the benefit of hearing Bhagavatam? That will come when you hear more and more, hear about that. Therefore, in Shastra also, it's evident from the Shastra that how important it is that. It is said that Nirvitate Seir Upagiyamanat Bhavosudo. This is this Bhavosudo, this is the only medicine to get out from this material existence. We have been entangled in this cycle of birth and death, repeated birth, repeated death, repeated disease, repeated old age. That is very precarious, very pernicious, very obnoxious, very notorious, very nefarious, this kind of thing. That made us really in a very, very precarious situation in every life. So here it is said that nirvitata se rupagiyamanat bhavo suto sutaviman sutamanoviramant ka uttama sloke gunanubadat punam virajyate vinapasu ghanan. It is said that nirvitata se rupagiyamana, the hearing is only medicine that it will stop our suggestion of birth and death. It will purify us. It will cure our disease of attachment to material things. It will clear this cure, it will cure the disease. That is only medicine. That is. Ta uttama sloke gunanu badat. Unless who is really want to suicide, he doesn't want to hear. Otherwise, who will not hear the Lord's beautiful topics, the topics of Krishna Katha? Who will not be interested in taking this medicine, who is really a very, very efficacious medicine, powerful medicine to cure our, that very, very bhavaroga, which is very, very fatal disease, which is incurable since time immemorial. We are conditioned. We have been conditioned for trillions years, and we have no other formula than hearing the process. By hearing, we will have this propensity. So it is said that Ripitate Sirupagiyamana, that is only medicine. And Kunti Devi also praying in all the ways. Srimad Bhagavatam is full of hearing. You hear about that. Srimad Bhagavatam is full of, you hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Nityam Bhagavata Sevai Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nayastkiti. You hear. Simply hear about. Every day we hear Bhagavatam, hear about Krishna Katha, then we will purify. We will develop that love for Krishna. Jasyang Mai Sriyamanayam Krishna Parama Purushe Bhaktir Utpadate, Bhaktir Vir Utpadate. It will create a propensity. It will create a urge. It will create a liking for the spiritual thing. And as Chaitanya Mahaprabhupada very nicely say, one of the beautiful verses in Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is a nectar full of verses. Beautiful verses are there. It is said that devotees should gradually increase the culture of devotional service by constant hearing. That is 4:20-25, Srimad Bhagavatam. By constant hearing of transcendental quality of Supreme Personality of Godhead. These pastimes are like ornamental decoration of the ears of devotees. See, this Krishna Katha is ornamental decoration. Because we are disease condition, we do not want to hear. Our propensity is not there. More we hear, more we become clear. We will get that propensity. Just like a jaundice patient, although he doesn't like to take sugar, it is bitter, but if he take that sugar, despite this bitterness, then slowly he will get cured. Similarly, although we have no interest now at present to hear about Krishna Katha, we are interested about how to update our Facebook, how to read the message of WhatsApp. We are not interested in reading Prabhupada books. We are not interested in hearing Prabhupada. Prabhupada say at least 2 to 3 hours we must read. We are not interested in that reading books and Prabhupada. We are interested in Facebook and all the things. That is our disease. So therefore the hearing process, once you hear, then automatically you say, I want to get up early in the morning. I want to chant my round. I want to finish. I want to obey, do the Tulasi Puja. I want to do this Ekadashi Varta. I want to, render service. This propensity will come hearing. Without hearing, I have seen many people have come and they have gone. Even though they are coming to Mangalarti, if they are not hearing also, they will go. They will not stay long. That's a mechanical process. Niyamagraha. Whole idea is to always remember Krishna. Induce our mind to always remember Krishna. Because our mind is totally not at all with Krishna. And that is only success. Only the golden rule is that Satatama Smatabhya Vishnu. Always remember Krishna. Jasya Smarana Matrena Sansara Vimuchyate. Prabha Vishnu Nama Nama. It is said that Jasya Sravana Matrena. By simply by remembering the Lord, Sansara Vimuchyate, Sansara Bandhana we are entangled in this sansara, in this material world, that can be slackened, that can be freed. We can be freed from this entanglement, material entanglement, simply by hearing Smaran, by remembering Krishna. And that remembrance means your mind has to be engaged in that, engaged in hearing process, chant speaking process. By Sravanam Kirtanam, the remembrance will come. Hearing. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, everywhere say, chapter 647 say, himself say that, Loginam api sarvesam madgatanantaratma manaha saddhabhan bhajante jo mam same juktata mamataha. Out of all yogi, the greatest of yogi who always engage in the mind, who observed his mind in thinking of me, on me. In chapter 7, text 1, Maya asakta mana partha yogam injan madasraya. Maya asakta mana partha, observe your mind in me and execute the devotional service. So Krishna is speaking that now you to engage our mind is not there, and to bring, somehow and other to bring the mind to think of Krishna. That is the first do's. The topmost do is that satatam smatavya Vishnu, and Vishnutam na jatuchit. Do not forget Vishnu. That is do nots. Most important do nots is that never forget him. Sarvesu kalesu mama anusvarna juddasa. Hey Arjuna, you always think of me at the time, and also you fight at the time. I mean, you while fighting, while executing your prescribed duty, think of me. Sarvesu kalesu, chapter 8, text 7. And finally he says that Manamana Bhava Mada Bhakta Madayadi Mam Namaskuru. You think of always me, then you will come back to me. So by hearing process only we can think of Krishna. So here it is said that Prabhupada says that beautifully in purport that that how important the verse is specially mentioned to substantiate the devotional process of hearing the subject matter. Devotee does not like to hear anything other than subject dealing with spiritual activity or the pastime of Supreme Personality of Godhead. We can increase our propensity for devotional service by hearing Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam from a realized soul. More we hear from realized soul, more we make advancement in devotional service. More we advance in devotional life, more we become detached from the material world. We are detached from, because we are so much attached. More we hear, we become detached. And more we become detached, then as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, more we become attached to the Krishna. Therefore, devotee wants to make progress in devotional service, go back home, back to Godhead, must lose the interest in sense enjoyment and associating with person who are after money and sense gratification. That is advised by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also quoted the beautiful verse, Niskanchanasya bhagavat bhajana mukhyasya param jigyansu bhavasagarasya sadarsanam vishanam atha jositam cha hanta vishabhakhyanta pyasadu. So those who are interested to go back, they should give up this attachment, material association. This is like a hanta vishabhakhyantu. That means it is just like a, drinking the poison, like suicide, spiritual suicide. So that hearing is so important. Sunnatam sokatha sravan sunnatam sokatha krishna punya sarvana kirtana. Sinvatam sokatha krishna punya sarvana kirtana hudayantastani abhadrani sudhunati vidhunati sruasatam. So the dirty things in the heart will be cleansed simply by hearing process. Hearing of Krishna Katha is so purifying that by hearing about topics of Krishna related, it will purify, because the dirty things is binding us. Therefore it is said that Sinvatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarvana Kirtana 1 to 17. How Punya Sarvana Kirtana Hudantustoya Vadrani Vidhunati Swasatam. It cleanses the desire for material enjoyment from the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge to hear the message. So those who develop the urge to hear the message of Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita, it will clean, because we have got material enjoyment, therefore we are binding the material activities due to material body. And this material enjoyment, that misdirected desire to sense enjoyment, is our main cause for binding us in this material existence. Therefore, to clean that desire for material enjoyment, we have to hear the message. We have to hear the message. Otherwise, we cannot uproot that material enjoyment, because we have been so long attached to material things. That enjoyment is still there, the dirty thing is still there, very substantially, and we have to hear attentively to clean it. Just like a house which is full of dirty things from so many years, to clean that process, we need a beautiful, strong broom and clean it. That is, hearing is a very, very express way to Godhead. Easy, it will go clean it like. And the beautiful verses it is said that in Bhagavatam, that how it is published 285, that it is again has been reiterated. Pravishta Kannarandhrena, when the Krishna Katha somehow enter into our ear, what will do? Swanam Bhavasaruram Dhunati Samlam Krishna. Dhunati means it will cleanse like detergent, it will cleanse, completely cleanse. Salilasya Jathasarat. It is said that by Krishna Katha, when enter into the heart, automatically our dirty things will go away. Cleanses, because Krishna is purified. When it comes, all the dirty thing will go. Complete it. Krishna himself, Harim Chitam Samsara, he himself comes, and Krishna is purified. When he comes, all the things will be cleansed. So that is very important. The hearing is so important things in our devotional service. It is said that 10:38:12 in Srimad Bhagavatam, that all sins are destroyed, all good fortune is created by Supreme Lord's quality, activity, appearance, and what that describe three things. So all auspiciousness come. We want auspiciousness, we want good fortune simply by hearing process. Simply by hearing process, because Krishna hearing is say that Krishna hearing is very, very pleasing. Tadeva ramyam ruchiram navam navam. It's like you are hearing so many news, so many Facebook updates, so many Twitter updates, so many WhatsApp messages, but that is all binding. That is not, that we, people getting tired, getting the problem, there is a neurological problem they are getting. So many cases has come because of this, so much overwhelming, engrossed in WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, all the social media, and so many news, and we are bombarded by so many news. So there is so much psychological disorder, neurological cases have been have been noticed. But here, if you hear about Krishna Katha, is not stale, it is not fatigue. It is always like, it is said that Tadaiva Ramyam Ruchiram Navam Navam. It is like a phrase, Navam Navam. Tadaiva Sasthan Manasa Mohotshavam. It is a festival to the mind. It's like festival. Mind is full of festival, a joyful. Festival means we are all joyful. Whenever there is a festival like Janmashtami, Ratha Yatra, we are all jumping. But here it is said that Krishna Katha is like a jumping, for mind is jumping by hearing Krishna Katha. Is so sweet, so nectarian. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam. The gopis are singing 10:31:9 Srimad Bhagavatam. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavivi riditam kalmasopaham. Tava kathamrutam, those who are very aggrieved, those who are so much in a very material, miserable condition, for them, Tava kathamruta is like a nectar, life-giving nectar. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavivi riditam kalmasopaham. It will also destroy all kind of kalmas, dirty thing from the heart. So that is the importance of hearing. So he said that Tadaiva Sokannam Sasura Ninnanam. Tadaiva Sokannam Sosanam. Sosanam means it will dry up all the material misery. How so much effect, the consequence of hearing Krishna Katha. But we are not interested. We are whole problem is that everybody has got, all devotees has got this mobile phone. Previously we did not have mobile. We have a Nokia, there was no such message, and nowadays WhatsApp and Facebook, particularly the two apps in the Facebook and messages, and made us to be always, every minute we are distracted by the sound. Some message is coming, some message, every time. So that is, but we are not interested in hearing Prabhupada lecture, Prabhupada books. Tadeva Sokannam Sosanam Ninnanam Yad Uttama Sloka Jasa Anugiyate. So it is said that that those words describe the glories of all famous personality of Godhead are attractive, releasable, ever fresh. So the Krishna Katha is very attractive and releasable, ever fresh also. Indeed, such words are perpetual festival for the mind and dry up ocean of misery. They dry up the ocean of misery. We are all in a miserable condition. We are all in a precarious condition. Those who are telling, I am happy in this material world, that is, he is lying actually. He has no idea what is happiness, definition of happy. Just like a hog is also tells that I am happy, because that is the Maya. To understand Krishna is so difficult, so difficult to understand. First of all, there is a Maya is curtain. There is a curtain is their Maya. Maya javanika achanam. Naham sarvasya prakasa. Jogo Maya samavrita. So there is a curtain. Second thing, he is adhokyata, beyond our perception. And third point is that we are all fools and rascals. We have no qualification to understand Krishna. With so much adversity, where is the chances of going back to Godhead? Therefore, Srila Prabhupada, out of his magnanimous, he compiled all the books so that we hear it and we will develop that attachment some way or another for Krishna, and Krishna will reveal to us. We can understand Krishna by hearing process. जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम एवं जवेति तत्ततः तत्तदेहम पुनर्जन्म नायति मामेति सो अर्जुन. If you know if you understand Krishna's appearance activity, how to understand? By hearing process. Hear from him. Mayasakta manapartha yogaminjum madasraya. You hear from me, asamsayam samagramam, then you can understand me without any doubt. Chapter 7, text 1. Let's go to there. Chapter 7, text 1, Krishna says that you want to know me, understand me, only you have to mayasakta manama, you hear me. Sri Bhagavan uvacha mayasakta manah partha yogam injan madasraya asamsayam samagramam yad gansyasi tasrinu. You hear. See, the Supreme Personality of Godhead say, now hear, O son of Pritha, how by practicing yoga in full consciousness of me, with mind attached to me, you can know me in full, free from doubt. So here it is telling that you hear from me. Now hear. By hearing that how the process of yoga, process of developing the bhakti for Lord, we can get out from this material existence. That hearing is very, very important part. Instead of wasting time, sarma evai kavalam. Sarma dharma sanustita punsam vishwaksana na kathausu sarma evai kavalam. Sarma eva, useless waste of time. Now utpadayat katha. No, there is no attraction for Krishna katha. All your occupational duty is useless waste of time. That is said. So if we have to develop the attraction for hearing of Krishna katha, that is very important. And particularly those with whom we can, because alone we have no propensity. So we have to associate with the devotee who has that urge to hear and speak about Krishna. Particularly a pure devotee like Prabhupada. You read the Prabhupada books, hear the Prabhupada books, he is always speaking. He is always speaking, he is always hearing. Sukadev Goswami in Mangalacharana doing, Sukadev Goswami while speaking, this just like Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj had only 7 days. He is on the verge of death. And he was asking the beautiful question. A person who is on the verge of death, what he should do actually? Because you see, we all are on the verge of death. At least Parikshit Maharaj has got advantages than us. He knows that I have 7 days. We do not know. Any moment, padam yad vipadam. Every material existence means every step is a danger. Padam yad vipadam. Every padam, every step is a danger. We do not know. In next moment we may die. So that means we are all on the verge of death. And Parikshit Maharaj is asking not only for him, on behalf of everyone in this world. Because everyone in this world is on the verge of death. Every moment. Yudhishthira Maharaj is telling that ahani bhutani jamalayama gacchati ya jamalayama sesa sthavara icchanti aschakim aschajam ataha param. Ahani bhutani means every moment one is on the verge of death or going to die, is dying also, not going to die, dying. But those who are remaining, they are thinking that, oh, I am not going to live. No, that is a very amazing, stupidly amazing thing, amazingly stupid thing. Because everybody is on the verge of death. And one is verge of death, what he should do? That was the question asked by the Parikshit Maharaj. We can go to that verses 11937, 11937, where Parikshit Maharaj is asking question, Srimad Bhagavatam 119:37. Parikshit Maharaj is asking the same question to Sukadev Goswami, that Atha Prichami Samsiddham Yoginam Paramam Gurum Purushaya Yat Karyam Miryamanasya Sarvata. Miryamana means one who is going to die. So we all are on the verge of death. Any moment. We are all going to die, either today or tomorrow. Every day we are losing our day, losing our duration of life. Ahur harati bai punsam, udyam astam channesu. Ahur harati bai punsam. Every sunrise we are losing our death. That means we are dying actually. Every day we are dying one day. And one day it will be complete our quota. So here it is said that you are spiritual master of great saint and devotee. I am therefore begging you to show the way of perfection for all persons, especially for one who is about to die. What he should do? One is about to die. To answer this question, he is starting with chastising the people, those who are not interested in the solution. He is telling Surtabadini Rajendra Ninnam Santi Sarsa Apasattam Atma Tattva Gruhesu Gruhamedi. People are so much attached to material things, family, friend, relatives, society, community, and so on and so forth. They are not interested in hearing Krishna Katha. Surtabadini Rajendra Ninnam Santi Sarsa. They are hearing so many things, politics, sociology, psychology, and so many other things, but they are not interested in hearing Krishna Katha. They are blind, apasyatam atma tattvam, blind to self-realization, blind to Krishna Katha. Their position, their destination is very, very precarious, very, very dangerous, their destination. What is their destination? See, they are going to die, they are going to destroy it. People are so much interested. What they are doing, why they... If you ask somebody, sir, please come to temple and hear, please hear whenever you have time. No, I do not have. I have no time. What, you don't have time? What are you doing? What is your business, sir? And you are jumping like a monkey, just like a monkey, jumping from one branch to another branch. You are jumping. What is the difference? A monkey is jumping, you are with the animals are jumping naked, Prabhupada say, and you are jumping with breast. But the business is jumping. And in this way we are jumping from one branch to another branch, one body to another body, like a monkey, stupid monkey. That is our position. So here it is said that, what are you? What is your business, sir? Let us analyze. Nidra hiryate naktam, vyavavena cha bhaya, diva cha arthena rajan, kutumba bharena nama. What is your business, sir? You have no time to come to temple. You have no time to chant my project, my this, my that. I have to attend my children, I have to attend my husband, I have to attend my this, that, so many engagement. So what is your, how you spend your money, time? Sukadev Goswami is pinpoint, bang on. The lifetime of such an envious householder is passed at night, either in sleeping or sex indulgence. What they are doing? Either sleeping and sex indulgence. In daytime, they are making money for maintaining family members. In this way, whole their day has been preoccupied, has been encumbered by all material things, either by night by sex or sleeping, or daytime by making money. That is actually the real fact. There is no denying and disputing of the fact. This whole present civilization is primarily based on sleeping and sex indulgence at night, and earning money in the day and spending the same for family maintenance. Such a form of human civilization condemned by Bhagavata school. Prabhupada written purport that it is condemned by Bhagavata school. No, you are wasting your time. Sarmaya vai kamalam. You are wasting. You are not going to be victorious. You are not going to. Therefore, this hearing is means of conquest. Srimad Bhagavatam is means of conquest, conquering all this darkness of material existence, conquering up all your useless things. By hearing process you can do that. This is your life, this is your engagement, sir. And what will happen by this engagement? By this engagement you are going to be victorious? No, you are not going to be victorious. Deha patya kalatridesu Atmasanyasvasatopi tesam pramatha nidanam paschanapi na pasanti. You are not going to be victorious by your so-called modern civilization, by eating, merry-making, sense enjoyment process, hedonistic process, the destruction of the soul. It's a self-destructive process, it's hedonistic. That what is this hedonistic? Sense enjoyment to unlimited. Making money, maintain family, sense enjoyment of yourself, your family, your community, your society, so and so forth, is a destruction of the soul. Person devoid of Atma Tattva do not inquire into problem of life. Being too attached to infallible soldier like body, children, wife, although sufficiently experienced, they still do not see their inevitable destruction. See, Prabhupada written the whole material world is called a world of death. Every living entity, Brahma Bhuvanala Loko Punaravartina. From Brahma to Ant, everybody has even a small jump, some duration of life. So everybody is, death is imposed. So here you try yourself, try to create a sophisticated environment, gorgeous arrangement. You by your so much materialistic plan, you are doomed to failure. You are going to fail. You will be destroyed because it will be taken away. Therefore, you are wasting time on this and your on material things which is not going to save you at the time of death. So therefore, it is said that whosoever want to stop this death, he has to hear the Krishna Katha. He has to get the propensity of engage in devotional service. And that start with hearing and speaking about Krishna Katha. So he is giving a solution. Finally, he is giving solution in these two verses, Sukadeva Goswami, that as it was asked by the Parikshit Maharaj, that a person who is about to die, what should be the remedy? What should be the solution? Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan, Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan Ishwarari Shrotevya Kirtitebhya cha Smratavya Ichchatam Ichchatam Avayam. So here the Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan Ishwara Hari Shrotevya. One has to hear, chant and remember if you want to really free from this bhaya. What is that bhaya? Bhaya of losing everything, bhaya of death, bhaya of misery, bhaya of this material existence. You want to get out from this bhaya of death, particularly everybody on the verge of death. So you want to escape from the death. One has to Tasmad Bharat Sarvatma Bhagavan Ishwarari Shrotavya Krititavya Smratavya Ichchata Bhayam. So one has to hear about Krishna Katha. And finally, he has spoken the solution here. Bang. So, Etavan Sankhya Yoga Bham, 216 of Srimad Bhagavata. Etavan Sankhya Yoga Bham, so Dharma Parinishtaya Janma Labha Param Pusma Ante Narayana Smriti. Ante Narayana Smriti, that is the success when at the end of the life, if we think of Krishna, if we remember Krishna, then we can achieve the success. We can get out from material existence and go back to spiritual existence, where there is an absence of all kind of miseries. This is the whole idea, because misery is due to material existence. Because due to material existence, we have material body, and due to material body, we have material activities, and due to material activities, we have material reaction, and for that we are playing, we are flying, we are jumping from one body to another body, and undergoing all this obnoxious suffering. Therefore, to get out of this Janma Labha Param Pusma Ante Narayana, at the time of death, remember. How we can remember? If we have not hear and chant about Krishna, if we are always absorbed in hearing and chanting about Krishna, then the remembrance will come. It will give a remembrance, develop the remembrance of the Krishna. Just like we are hearing about Krishna, we are thinking of Krishna. We are hearing about the chanting about Krishna or speaking about Krishna, we are thinking of Krishna. How Krishna is speaking, how Krishna is doing his Krishna Katha. How now Damodar month is coming, how Krishna is crying, how Krishna is stealing water. How Krishna is delivering the Nalakubera and Manigriva. So all these things, by hearing his Krishna Katha, we get purified. And that is the whole idea. Actually, Lord is descending to enact all the pastimes so that we hear and purify. That is also spoken in 10:33-36. Krishna say, I am coming for that, so that you will hear. I will enact some pastime, you will hear that. Otherwise, you are hearing nonsense thing. You are hearing that is binding you more and more binding you, more and more entangle us. So he is coming here, anugrahasya bhaktana manusam sthit, manusam deham astita, bhajatam taddiskida, tasrutva, very important word. Yes, shruta tat paro bhavet. Yes, shruta tat paro bhavet means who hear about them to become dedicated to him. So hearing is who hear. He is coming so that if we hear about Krishna Katha or his pastimes, we become attracted to him, we become dedicated to him. So hearing is so important. Whole idea of Krishna descendant to enacted all the pastimes so that we can hear and attract to him. So how hearing is important. He himself, Krishna is telling, this is 10:33-36 of Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam. How important. Yat kirtanam yas smaranam, this beautiful verse 2, 4, 15. Sukadev Goswami is doing a Mangalarchana by telling Yat kirtanam yas smaranam, yad ikkhanam, yas bandhanam, yas sarvanam, yad ikkhanam, lokasya sadya vidunati kalmansa, tasmei subhadra sarvasya namo nama. Yat kirtanam, whose kirtan, who is smaranam, whose remembrance, whose glorification, whose ikkhanam means whose audience, like we go to temple and see the Lord, that is so benefit, seeing the Lord. Yad bandhanam, when you are praying. Yes, sarvanam, when you are hearing about Krishna Katha. When arhanam, when you are when you are hearing about Krishna and how it is auspicious. How it is auspicious, it is Subhadra Sarvasya. Subhadra Sarvasya means it will create a auspiciousness. And Vidhunati means cleanse all our material dirty and create a very auspiciousness. Subhadra means very, very auspicious. Kunti Devi also says, Sravanti Gayanti Grinanti Apiksnasa Smaranti Saram Smaranti Tadeva Achirena Sravanti Gayanti Smaranti Aviksnasa Smaranti Nandanti Tavet Janaha Saiva Pasyanti Achirena Tabakam Bhava Prabhavupaham. So Shravan, whosoever chant and hear your glories, they will stop this birth and death. 1:836 Kunti Devi. So whole Bhagavatam is full of the instruction that how important is hearing. How important. It's actually begin with hearing. Dharma prajita kaitava atra nirmasaranam sat atra param nirmasaranam satam vedyam vastamam atra vastu Sivadam tapatra mulanam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamani kirte Ishwara Sadhya Hudaya Avaruddhate Kirtitivi Susrisrivi Kirtitivi Susrisrivi Tatakshana. By hearing and chanting, and immediately Krishna will come and compacted in our heart, will reside in our heart. So that is the importance of hearing. Bhagavatam starts with that you hear Bhagavatam. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati. By hearing Bhagavata, by hearing Krishna Katha, then we will get that Bhakti Bhavati Naistiki. We will develop that Bhakti, fixed devotional service for the Lord. So there is so how hearing is important, and where there is hearing means everything. Jagata pavitam pragnita karchate na yad bacha chitra padam hare jasa jagata pavitam. This hari jasa hari katha will clean all these things, not only to individually but collectively for all the whole world. Tad bayasam tirthausanti manasa. Then there is no Krishna katha hearing, and that is all this places is called Bayasam Tirtham, means there is a pilgrimage places of crow. Crows are interested in dirty things. Those who are not interested in hearing, they are like a crow. But na atra hansa nirmanti. Those who are swan like devotee, they are interested in Krishna Katha. Because they are like swan. Swan are interested in very clean thing. They are always in clean ponds. They are not dirty thing like a crow. Crows are interested in dirty things, Bollywood, Hollywood, cricket, song, mong, all nonsense thing, where that is binding us, that distracting us. Already we are distracted. Again it is aggravating our position. And due to this attachment, we are not advancing. And all these things are more and more, holding us back, stagnating. our advancement, jeopardizing our advancement in Krishna consciousness. So we should be very careful, always hear Krishna Katha, nothing else, nothing else. तव कथामृतम तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कलमाचोपम श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदातम हुवी गृह्णन्ति वृदादनः. The devotee always speak and hear, and because this is nectar of your words and description of your activity are life and soul for those who are suffering in the material world. Everybody is suffering in this material world, and this is only the nectar, only the solution, only the life and soul. This is only the ventilator. This is only the oxygen. Those people who are suffering, they are about to die, for them it is the life and soul. Dharma sanustapasya natat. So it is said that one of the verses very nice, 10.7.1, that Krishna, King Parikshit say, my Lord Sukadev Goswami, all the various activity exhibited by the incarnation of Supreme Personality of Godhead are certainly pleasing to ear and to the mind. Simply by once hearing this activity, the dirty things in one mind immediately vanish. Because we have the dirty things in the mind. That is the problem. We are thinking, mind is thinking all the things, we are so much other thing, it will like a dustbin, bringing all the dust again to this. Like mind is like a dustbin, instead of cleaning all the dust, you are bringing all the dust, then how it will, how we can absorb in the Krishna. Krishna say, manmana bhava, madabhakta, madajaji mamano, always think of me. Satatama kirtanti mama, yatantasya duddhavata, satatama smatabhya Vishnu, always think of me. So how we can think always? How can we absorb our mind, absorb in our mind if we do not hear Krishna Katha? He said that dirty thing one's mind immediately vanish. Generally we are reluctant to hear about activities of the Lord. But Krishna childhood activity is so attractive that they are automatically pleasing to mind and ear. So, see how generally we are reluctant. Nobody is interested in Krishna Katha. But when you hear about Krishna, particularly childhood activity, Damodar month is coming. So one has to be very serious that every day one should hear the Damodar Leela. Because it's so pleasing, Thus one's attachment for hearing about material thing, which is the root cause of material existence, vanishes. So our root cause of material existence is to hearing about material things. This is our root cause of our material existence. We are hearing about all material things. It is binding us. Like a poison. Kulasekara is telling, is a poison. Is a poison, It's a beautiful verses. It is said that Asajam etam manusyalakam. Kulasekara say in 38 verse of Mukundamala, Asajam etam manusyalakam sudha parityada visam pivanti. Namani narana gochurani taktya anya bachakukam patanti. Kulasekara very beautifully say that you see that how astonishing things human society, that they have given up the nectar of Krishna Katha and they are drinking the poison of all hearing all material things. Narana Namani, Narana Gochurani, they have given up this Narana Nama, Krishna name, holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. They have given up all these things and now they are attracted to Anya, what is that called? Taktya anya bata kukam patanti. Anya thing, all other things, all material things they are interested in hearing. So therefore it is very, very important that, to hear about the Krishna Katha only. Always, as much as you have time to hear about Krishna Katha, that will create an impetus, develop the propensity, develop the predilection to come to Mangalarti, to chant 16 rounds, to do the service sincerely, to become humble. Everything comes if we hear this. So there is a beautiful verse at 10:50-37. Whole verses, Srimad Bhagavatam is so many verses. I have just counted earlier. You see, Rukmini Devi, he become attracted by hearing. That is the example given. Where is the example, Prabhu? You are telling about all the things. Here, Rukmini said in a letter as read by Brahmana, O Lakshmi Devi, Rukmini is Lakshmi, O beauty of the world, having heard of your qualities which enter the ears of those who hear and remove their bodily distress, having also heard of your beauty which fulfills all visual desire of those who see, I have fixed my shameless mind upon you. See how beautifully verses spoken by the, spoken by the Nukmini. So, tva gunan bhuvana sundara sanvatam te. See, by hearing your beauty, hearing your beautiful, wonderful quality, by hearing your beautiful face, beautiful face, by hearing all these things, my mind is so shameless, is always attracted to so many things, now become fixed upon you. See, by hearing Rukmini Devi attracted to Krishna. So that is the power of hearing. Power of hearing, So Krishna Kapil Dev is telling 325, 23 beautiful verses. Engage constantly in chanting, hearing about me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sadhu do not suffer from material misery because they are always filled with thought of my pastime. See, they are always filled with thought of my pastime. Madasraya kathamrisrat, very beautiful verse. Srinvanti kathayanti cha taptanti vividya tapah. That means they have stopped all the vividya tapah, means various tapah means misery. Tapanti means they have stopped. Naitam madgata chetasa, then they are attracted to me, filled their heart with my activities, my pastime. They sadhu do not suffer because tapanti vividya tapata. Simply by sravanti kathayanti cha. That is the symptoms of devotee. Devotee means always madagata madachita prana pathayanti cha madachita madagata prana bodhoyanti parasparam kathayanti cha mam nityam tushtanti cha ramanti cha. Srimad Bhagavatam 10:9 Chaturshloka. So the devotee symptoms means always hear and speak about Krishna. Satang prasangam mama veera samvidam bhavanti utkanna rasayana katha yajjasana tapavarga vartamani shraddha bhakti rati anukramishyati. All this develop, all your attraction for Krishna or your attraction from matter to spirit and particularly to Krishna, Shraddha, all this Shraddha, the faith, the rati, attraction, the love, devotion will develop when you hear about Krishna Katha, particularly in association of devotee. Satang prasangam mama veera samvidha bhavanti utkanna rasayana. Satang prasangam mama veera samvidha. One he hears, and the effect is that yajasana asu apavarga vartamani. All this apavarga, all this pavarga means all kind of miseries, fear, uselessness, fruitlessness, death, all this, all these things, the material existence means full of like death, full of struggle. The struggle, the fear and the death, everything will be stopped. Immediately stop. Tad Josanat apavarga vartamani. Apavarga means opposite. It will open the liberation, door of liberation. That is the effect of hearing, particularly with sadhu sangha. So here it is said that, but the problem is that, see, so many things Bhagavatam has spoken, the very, very paramount important of hearing, particularly Prabhupada always say that hear first. Then automatically you will develop that, no, I want to get up early, I want to go to Mangalarti, I want to chant my round. By hearing, you know that what is the important of hearing, important of particular things. Just like Prabhupada used to give an example, if you know a person is rich, if you know how rich, then your attraction, your appreciation for him will be manifold increased, augmented. Similarly, if you know the importance of Kantimala, why there is a Kantimala, how important, what is the importance of Tulasi Puja, what is the importance of deity worship, what is the importance of chanting, what is the importance of Mangalarti. There are so many things. Why Mangalarti chanting? Why not chanting in the night? Anyway, we are finishing. No, there are different things are there. If you know all the things by hearing process, the bhakti process, and particularly hearing about Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, where there is a description of the nectarian topics of Krishna Katha, and that is so important, that will develop the attraction for Krishna. We love Krishna, then we will do everything for Krishna. If we do not love Krishna, we cannot get up Mangala Arati for him. If we do not love Krishna, we have no attraction for Krishna, then we cannot chant his name. We have not developed the proper love for Krishna, then we cannot do the service. We cannot do the Tulasi Puja properly. We cannot do anything if we do not know that the important of this, important of Krishna, important of Krishna Katha, you know. Therefore Krishna say, you know me by hearing process. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, Bhagavati Uttama Sloke, Bhaktir Bhakti. You hear about Krishna Katha. And we wind up with two beautiful verses. It is said that 3:25, 3:15-23, that it is much regrettable that unfortunate people do not discuss the description of Vaikuntha planet but engage in topics which are unworthy to hear, which bewilder one's intelligence. Those who give up the topics of Vaikuntha and take to talk to material world are thrown into darkest region of ignorance. See, consequent of not hearing has opened the door of hell. Darkest region of ignorance. If you do not hear Krishna Katha, then we will be binding in material existence. And there is no guaranteed human life. You will be slide down to the animal life, and after so many millions, 8.4 millions of species of transmigration, cycle of transmigration, then we will come again to the human form of life. Because human form of life is only a species of life we have got the privilege, prerogative to hear about Krishna Katha. In any other species of life, that prerogative has not been given, has not been endowed. Therefore, for us it is very, very paramount important that we must hear, because 24 hours a day we are hearing anyway. Why not hearing about Krishna Katha? And how we will hear? We have to associate the devotee. We cannot hear from the colleagues, materialistic people. We can hear from the panwala. We cannot hear from this shopkeeper. We cannot hear from the businessman. We cannot hear about some. No, we will hear about only from a devotees. Therefore, association of devotees is important. Satang prasangam mamavira sambinda. Krishna says, you hear association with devotee. That is more releasable. That is more releasable. So it is said that terrified, about to die, 12:344 verses. Man collapsed on his bed, although his voice is faltering and he is hardly conscious of what he is saying. He utters the holy name of Supreme Lord. He can be freed from reaction of fruitive activity. Active the supreme destination. But still people in this age of Kali will not worship. See, this is the problem in the age of Kali. They are all doomed. They are not interested. No. I am not going to hear. I am going to hear about the Bollywood. I am going to hear about the news. I am going to hear about the Hollywood. And I am going to hear about this cricket, sportsmen, etc. So many attractions, variety of attraction, multifarious material attraction. This Maya has given all this, offered a multifarious attraction, material attraction. That is the problem, that we are so much engrossed in that, so much captivated by this Maya's illusory trick. Therefore, we have to hear. When we hear is efficacious weapon, so that Maya will never come. Therefore, wherever there is Srimad Bhagavatam Katha, Maya will never touch, never come. It was a blessing by Lord Ram, that wherever there is a Krishna Katha, Maya will never come to us. So there is a beautiful, there are 6 verses, beautiful, wonderful. So there is a beautiful. So it is this is so important. So all devotees should be devotees should always eager to hear about Krishna Katha. That is the symptoms of advancement. If one is not hearing, he will be stagnated. We have seen practically that many of the devotees, pious soul, who have come to Krishna consciousness but stagnated their progress on account of not hearing. Because it become a burden, galagraha. Prabhupada said temple become like a pigeon, the house of pigeon and birds. And you feel like, who is going to Mangalarti, who is going to chanting, who is now going to chant, procrastination. So you won't be liking all the things. So you always will be procrastinating. We are not indifferent, always indifferent to do procrastination. Who is going to do, not be serious. The determination will not come without hearing Krishna Katha. So hearing is very important. Thank you very much. So, therefore it is a sadasevya bhagavatam katha iti yasya sravana matrena harim chitam samsrate. Always hear about Krishna katha. By hearing sadasevya, always. By hearing, you will get that, Krishna. Krishna will come and stay in your heart. Then there is no question of become Maya. When Krishna is in your heart, where is the question of Maya? Where is the question of material existence? Everything will be vanished. That is the importance of hearing. Sadhu sadhuta daine. Sanatana Goswami say, by hearing process, the sadhu, those who are asadu become sadhu. Asadu sadhuta daine. Nicho uchatta karo. Those who are very low, they become also high simply by hearing. Sadasevya sadaseva bhagavata. Sada sarvada sevaya. Sada sarvada. Always, hear about Krishna Katha. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All goes to Srila Prabhupada.